something coming over me, and I think it might be that little four-letter word. Don't know how I got it so bad for you. Guess I never learned how to play it cool, I know.
Ito na, malapit na. Ilang oras na lang. Thank you kasi nag-stay ka. I love you.
Mahal, ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Yung araw na pinagdarasal natin kay God. I'm always grateful to God dahil binigay ka niya sa akin.
Take me to your heart. Show me where to start.
Nag-pray ako for him, pero yung binigay ni God, more than that. Naiyak ako. Kasi sobrang sobrang genuine yung love niya for me and my family. The gift is just a small reminder of my love. Excited ako sa new chapter natin as husband and wife. I love you. Yeah! Yung gold, diba? Tinetreasure. Kasi feeling ko, tinetreasure niya ako.
To my groom, you deserve more love. Alam kong bagay sa'yo ito. Today, I love you from your bride.
Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other.
Got to believe kasi lagi niyang sinasabi na ang magical daw ng love namin.
Sobrang daming strangers, tas bigla kayong pinagtagpo na parang magic. Sobrang magic talaga nung dumating siya.
Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. I may never know why I need you so.
Sobrang feel ko yung love niya. Never niya akong pinabayaan. Basta, I'm so blessed. Always kong nararamdaman yun. And I'm always thankful kay God. Kasi siya yun. At alam kong siya talaga yun. Yung for me.
Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. You've got to.
Lagi naman akong thankful sa inyong dalawa. Mahal ko kayo. Sobra.
Thank you. Thank you for raising me na ganitong lalaki.
To believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. Cause it's magic when two people fall in love.
When you make your vow in Christ, it will sustain you. So I always ask the couple to pray together. If you are in a circumstance you cannot control, just call on God.
Thank you kay God, syempre. Pero thank you din sa'yo kasi tinupad mo tong pangarap ko and pangarap natin dalawa. I love you. Sa lahat ng laban sa buhay, never mo pinaramdam na mag-isa ako. You always choose to be with me. God, I love this man so much. Binago niya yung buhay ko. Yung akala ko na masaya na, may masasaya pa pala.
Sa piling mo, bumabagal, lumintong mundo. Sa piling mo.
When you learn to really give totally and accept totally, then you make the love real, true, and lasting.
Sa piling mo, bumabagal, lumintong mundo.
Salamat at sa hinabahaba ng panahon. Sa wakas, dumating na tayo sa araw na to. Pangakong walang magbabago at mamahalin ka araw-araw hanggang dulo. O Aini, Mrs. Castilla ko.